Hello. So today we're gonna do something a bit different. We're gonna do a bird feeder. I always wanted to work on wood, but I never had the opportunity. There's nothing so good as to start something, so let's go. So we should start setting it up, otherwise it's too messy. Ah, fuck. Okay, it's really hard to do anything with these nails, they're too small, so see you in a bit. I'm back, so let's finish this. So these are the sides from the cage. They're actually not very similar size, but it's fine. Come in like this. Okay, this is a problem. It didn't go perfectly. Great. Okay, I think I'm gonna glue the rest because this is too loud and this is too quiet, and here in Germany it's all about the order, so I don't feel very comfortable with making so much noise in the patio. Let's take out our trash. So here it is with food already. So as the birds take out the food from here and from here, the food from here falls. See inside. Yeah, very nice work of engineering.